Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have finally reached end of this week, and we are going to unbox this one. So this is the Nissan Z. I'm really excited to unbox this one because I don't remember I'm having this casting from Majorette because I avoided this casting because I saw this one somewhere, whether it's from another video or in back of the card like this. So I thought, okay, let's get this one instead of getting rest of the things. So I avoided most of it because this one looks absolutely amazing compared to all the others. So I do have one nitpick here. No, they could have went with the rims which they given for the Civic. So they didn't do that, but still it looks really nice. So I really want to open this and fit everything, and then I want to see myself how it actually looks. Okay, so this is by Majorette, and this is from the tune up series, more specifically from the JDM Legend series. So it has moving parts. We will get to that. Anyway, they showcased it here. We will see that. And on top of that, you will be having the body kit. And I'm hoping for rubber tires on this one because that's how they showcased in the card art. Okay, I tore that card art actually. This is why I don't like this style of blister. Okay, so here is the card art. The card art looks really beautiful. This actually feels like it is straight out of Need for Speed Underground. So I'm really hoping that Majorette would do a lot more of this. So even for exotics, I'm talking about Italian cars and even for American cars as well. So even for muscle cars to be, because they did for muscle cars, you can see the Dart Charger here. That was really amazing. So I'm even they did for Ford Raptor, which you can see there, and Ford Bronco. So they did for Lamborghini here. So they did for this kind of castings. I'm really hoping they would do lot, like lot more cars like Countach. I don't know, I don't have any Mura casting from Majorette, but I wish they do, they do like the Diablo or the Mura or the Gallardo or even the Centenario, something like that. So those would look really absolutely amazing. They do have a Centenario, but they don't have any kitted version. Okay, so enough talking. Let's get to the casting now. Okay, let me put this aside. I don't know why they're doing this. Okay, so here is the one side of the box art. So I love this particular box art as well. I mean, this is really flashy, and I mean, this looks more eye candy, and one among that is the Supra one that is also really nice. So I'm preferring this first now because I don't know how many of you remember. At least in India we used to have some the cream biscuits back then. So even now we do have, but this particular color combination I'm talking about, this reminds me of that. Okay, so here is the box art. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy actually doing something like this because anyway you're going to keep the box. So even if you are missing out the card, like just like I did right now, ripping it out, you still have the box here. This is going to look really cool if you're keeping it in a showcase like this, like the box on the back and the car on the front. That will look, or the car on the top like this, that would look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here is the body kit. So it has really, I don't know whether I can see detailing, but it looks really good. And you can see the spoiler here. So we need to put this on and see how this one looks. And we have 4 tires. So let's go to the casting now. Honestly, the casting looks really beautiful. So it does have a little bit of paint issue here. Again, this is specific to mine. Yours might not have. The livery on this one looks really nice. So you can see the brandings here. Sponsors like Michelin, Bilstein, and even the Majorette one here. And does the rear view mirrors. So it does have grill details to it, but it is a bit subtle. It is not too obvious. And it has the logo here. You can actually spell it out if you look close enough. Yeah, you can spell it out. Okay, it does have taillight details to it. You can see the exhaust here. So this body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic, and it does have opening parts here. So this is a left hand drive, so you can see the steering wheel on this side. This looks really good. Okay, it does have good interior detail to it. Okay, it does snap back into place. Okay, both sides it looks like this. I don't know about the actual cover, whether it's supposed to look like this or just because of the casting here. So I need to get another one of this and I need to see. Okay, so it does have windshield wipers here. That looks good. Okay, let's weigh this casting first. 36 grams, not bad. Yeah, it does have suspension if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it does have suspension to it, and the headlights have a little bit of gap to it. I don't know if it is something common for this casting or it is only on mine. So anyway, it is a separate piece, so yeah, even a lot of premium brands has a specific issue, so I'm not going to complain much on that. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll really good. Okay, it is getting hit on that box. It rolls good, not well or anything, but it rolls good. It does its job. I'm not going to worry about this that much. But anyways, okay, let's put on the body kit now. Again, if you are getting rubber tires with the casting, don't put the rubber tires first. Put on the kit first and then go for the tires. Okay, I did struggle with this kind of casting back there. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah, so here we go. So let's put on the tires now. Okay, so here is the casting in its full glory. Okay, this looks really good. This body kit and all. Let's, yeah. Man, I really wish someone would do do a stop motion movie or some kind of thing with this set, because this looks really nice. Okay, let's rate this casting. So, okay, I do have one question because the gap here, I don't know if it is something common on this casting or it is only on mine. So if it is only on mine, I am not going to worry about it because yours might not have. But if it is common, then that is not good. So I'm hoping this is not a common issue, because when I saw the Nissan Z in that semi-premium version, I don't remember seeing any gaps there. So I'm hoping this would be something specific to mine. So with that said, I am giving a 10 out of 10 for this. So I want your comments on this, to be honest. So if you have this particular casting, whether it's a semi-premium one or in this tune up series one, just do let me know if you have this particular issue, because I want to understand whether it's common or just something, whether I'm unlucky. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.